Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall. Yeah, man. Hey, yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment. Hey, yo, Skilla. Alright, everyone, you don't know who this is already. It is the Skilla. And you don't know, so I bring to know what you go on really and truly circulating on the social media. As I say. So, this one is like it's a robbery. Chinese wholesale. Mobile. Observe. One of the greatest things you can look on this and say is that at least no life no loss. You get to me and say to you? Yeah. Me know say, you know, me know say that's this nobody not supposed to do something like this. You see me and say to you, but some of the time you have to really wonder why people do these things, you know? Cause me tell you something, yo. Me tell you something, yo. We might never get an answer to why the crime and violence. No matter how we try, no matter what we think or what we try to do, you know, we might never get an answer to this thing. Yes, what I said to you. But the greatest thing is that no life, no loss. Yes, what I say. So, brother Chin, I know it hurt, but I just one of them things there, big brother. Just pick up your pieces off of the ground and move up and go on. You know, keep your things strong. Yes, what I say. Yeah. All right. I'm gonna tell the people. Yes, what I say. One more thing I have to say to the viewers, them be very vigilant when you're out the road. Yes, what I say. Yeah. You're in a certain place and you see certain things are going on. Please obey and don't pretend like we're Iron Man or Superman. You see me? Because enough of the time, people try to do certain things and things will happen. You see me? So when you see things like these, you just listen, give them your things, because I only one life we have. You see me? I say not two, one life. You see me? I say nobody feels to say we can get a second chance to everything. You see me? I say life no come with second chance, so one life. Remember that. Alright? But anyways, I don't know the thing go. If you need to know more what go on, you know the normal thing set. You have to click the subscribe button. You know, if it's you know the thing set already. That's the skiller. So I say, read the description down below if you need to contact, and don't forget to leave a comment. Let me know what you think, and as always, just keep it as clean as possible, family friendly settings. You understand? My name is Skilla, and that way you just see a Dancehall Skilla ENT.
Hey man, you know what you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Yeah, man. Hey yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.